Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 10th numerical of pH. And the question is given as solve the previous question, that is the question 9th. If concentration of OH negative is equals to 10 to the power minus 10 millimoles per liter. Okay, in 9th question they had asked us to find concentration of H positive in milligram per liter, but for finding the concentration of H positive we want pH value. Okay, but in the question concentration of OH negative is given, so we will determine the pOH value. Now for pOH, we need to put the concentration of OH negative in moles per liter. So we convert the concentration of OH negative in terms of moles per liter, for which we need to multiply here 10 to the power minus 3. We need to multiply 10 to the power minus 3 for the conversion of millimoles per liter to moles per liter, and it will be equals to 10 to the power minus 13 moles per liter. Now we know the formula of pOH, which will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. Now we have the concentration of OH negative ion as 10 to the power minus 13 moles per liter. So we had determined the value of pOH, which will be equals to 13. Now we know the formula, that is pH plus pOH will be equals to 14. From this formula we will determine the pH of the sample, which will be equals to 14 minus 13, and it will be equals to 1. Now the pH of sample is as equals to 1. We had calculated the pH of the sample, which will be equals to 1. Now from the pH we will determine the concentration of H positive in moles per liter. So pH will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of H positive. Now we know the value of pH, which will be equals to 1. So the rest formula is same, that is minus log with base 10 concentration of H positive. From this formula we will determine the value of concentration of H positive as 10 to the power minus 1 moles per liter. Now we had determined the concentration of H positive in terms of moles per liter, but in the question they had asked us to find the concentration of H positive in milligram per liter. Now we need to find the concentration of H positive in milligram per liter, for which we use the formula number of moles is equals to given weight upon ionic weight. Okay, now number of moles will be equals to 10 to the power minus 1 moles per liter, and the given weight we need to find the ionic weight will be equals to 1, because the atomic weight of H is 1 and we need to divide it by 1 because the charge is plus 1. So the ionic weight comes out as 1. So the given weight, that is the concentration of H positive, will be equals to 10 to the power minus 1 gram per liter, but they want us to find the answer in milligram per liter. So we had just multiplied it with 10 to the power 3, and the answer comes out as 10 to the power 2 milligram per liter, which will be the concentration of H positive in terms of milligram per liter, which will be the final answer of this question. Okay students, I hope that it is clear to all. Thank you very much.